Hello and welcome to Tutoring for Student Athletes. My name is Audrey Codner-Gibson, and I am the owner and head tutor of this facility over at ACG Math Tutoring. So I understand those late nights of my child has no idea what's going on. He has notes, she has notes, but they don't know what it means. And just basically overall frustration, don't know what you want to do. You're trying to get help. Everybody is closed. So you're just trying to look for the next best thing. And this is why I decided to start this late night tutoring just for student athletes, because we know they can't stay after school because of practice, because of games. So instead of them trying to sit around, figure themselves out, or do an app that gives them the complete wrong answer each and every time, I decided to do this late night tutoring to help your students out, not only for the homework, but also for those tests. So what's being offered? From Monday through Thursday, I will have services for Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Geometry, Pre-Calculus, Calc AB, and Calc BC over from 7 to 11 p.m. But there's also going to be some sessions on Sundays from 4 to 7 p.m. where you can also get assistance of all these subject matters. But here's the thing. Each of the sessions have at most, the absolute most will be 7 students per session. So they're very limited. So it's going to be on a first come, first serve basis. So I suggest, as you're here, to go ahead and hit that book it now, so you can definitely get into the session as soon as possible. One-to-one sessions are being offered. If anything, you can ask your particular instructor, or you could just send me an email. But there are some of those spaces available, but they're limited as well, because everybody wants to do one-to-one, but the group sessions is more beneficial. So thanks again. And if you have any questions or any comments whatsoever, please contact me using the phone number that's listed on the website and also the email. All right. Hope to see you soon. Take care.